Welcome back to another Cash Checker Credit with Kira. Today I'm sharing with you definitely a cash. I'm bringing to you one of my favorite types of smoothies where we cut the dairy and we use avocado as the star feature in this smoothie. I'm telling you, I love it and my children love it. Avocado, I love it. Now, I do not love avocado any other way, but in my smoothie, let's get into it. So I add my favorite berry medley. I add water, honey to your taste, and I also add about a tablespoon of lemon juice, and I blend about 3 times 1 minute each for this Nutribullet. Each blending session should be about 1 minute. And then what I do after I blended it all the way out to get rid of any of that pulp, because sometimes the raspberries and the blackberries have too much pulp for me. So then I go in with avocado, and I like my avocados to be soft to the touch, not too soft. This one is a little bit more ripe because I actually forgot that I had it. But yeah, the 4046 is what I pick up like in my local Walmart, and you'll see here where it has the give, you'll know. And so this one is giving way more give than I normally have, but usually if it's really to the right point of ripeness, you can easily get into it with a butter knife. So I wanted to show you that here. But yeah, I started out initially when I used to make this smoothie with just only having avocado, but now I'm able to add the whole thing. Like I said, I do not enjoy avocado, but in my smoothies, yes, definitely. You will see where I add this to my smoothie, and those little brown parts, I think it's kind of like, since avocado is a fruit, I think it's kind of like bananas, you know, where that brown is just where it's really ripe. Now, I don't add that in. I don't eat brown bananas, so you'll see where I don't include that. And also I want to point out, at this point, you see how rich that color is, but you can tell that it's not cold, the smoothie. And so later on I do add ice chips. But you guys stay tuned. Tell me what's your favorite smoothie combination. I hope you enjoy this and enjoy the rest of the video. I will catch you in the next one. And don't forget to check out my little critics at the end. They are going to stay true to themselves and tell you their real life opinions. Okay, I'm seriously out. Drink it. Tell me what you think.
It tastes like syrup. Something like a vegetable with
there's no vegetables.
No, like the little thingy with the
grapes.
energy.
Mm-hmm.
And
what do you think? Yeah, fruit. But is it good though? You really like it? Be careful, don't waste it out of that hole, because there's still a hole. Yeah, is it good? You love it? Did I do a good job?
Mm-hmm.
All right.